Hello guys, in this video, I'll show you how to create a Discord bot and how to get your Discord bot token. Open the URL you see on the screen right now in a browser on your computer or phone. If your Discord account isn't already open in the browser, log in. Once you're on this screen, click the New Application button on the right. On the screen that appears, give your bot a name, accept the terms, and click the Create button. After you create your bot, you'll be automatically redirected to your bot's page. From this screen, you can edit your bot's name or select any image you like as your bot's avatar. You can easily select a new avatar from your files by clicking on it. If you'd like, you can also update your bot's bio from this screen. Your bot's Discord bot ID is the one listed under Application ID. Once you've finished everything, save your settings. Click on Bot in the menu on the left. In this section, you can change your bot's banner by selecting it from your local files, just like you would an avatar. If you enable the Public Bot option, anyone can add your bot to their server. If you disable it, only you can add your bot to the servers of your choice. If you're not a developer, we recommend keeping this option disabled. If you scroll down a bit, you'll see a section titled Presence Intents. We recommend enabling all three intents in this section. This is necessary for the bot's code to function properly. Most importantly, be sure to use the Save button to save your changes. Finally, we've reached the most important part, your Discord bot's token. This is extremely important and relates to security. As you can see on the screen, you can view your Discord bot token. However, never write this token down anywhere or send it to anyone, not even the person you trust the most. Anyone who has this token can control your Discord bot however they want. They could harm you or your servers if they choose to. This is a red flag. Never share it with anyone. We hope you find this informational video helpful. Thank you. Don't forget to like and subscribe.